Welcome. If you're looking to stop those constant notifications every time someone goes live on Instagram while using your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable notifications for live videos on Instagram's latest desktop update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Instagram website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. Down near the bottom, you'll see an icon labeled More. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked together. Go ahead and click on that. A menu will pop up with several options. From here, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all sorts of preferences for your Instagram account. Next, find and click on the Notifications option. Inside the Notifications section, you'll see a variety of choices, but what we're looking for is Push Notifications. Click on that to continue. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Live Videos. Here, you'll see the option to manage your notifications specifically for live video broadcasts. To turn off these notifications completely, simply choose Off, and that's all there is to it. You've now disabled notifications for live videos on Instagram when using your PC. This means you can browse, post, and connect without being interrupted every time someone starts a live stream. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back to these settings and turn the notifications back on. Managing your notifications is a great way to keep your Instagram experience focused and distraction-free. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might need a little peace and quiet from those live video alerts. Enjoy your time on Instagram, and see you next time.